Good day, everyone. This is me, Teacher Charmaine Nazareda, your computer teacher. Our topic for today is about working with text box and word art inside the Microsoft Word application. But before that, our discussion for today is just for the different steps in working with text box using the Microsoft Word application. Okay, for the first step for us to insert a text box inside the document area, we need to proceed to the Insert tab. Okay, after clicking the Insert tab, we're going to proceed to the text group and precisely, we're going to use the command for text box. Okay, for us to be able to insert a text box here inside the document area, you're going to click or you're going to select the drop down arrow. After selecting the drop down arrow, you're going to use the draw text box command. After clicking or after selecting the draw text box command, you can see here inside the document area that the cursor has changed. It indicates that we are now ready to draw a text box inside the document area. Okay, using the left button of your mouse, press and hold, then you're going to drag it down. Okay, until you are contented with the size of the drawing area or the text box inside the document area. Now we are ready to type text inside our text box area. Okay, for an example, we're just going to paste a pre-typed text inside the document or inside the text box area. Okay, this will be the application of the text box inside your document area. If you can see here, there are different resizing buttons that we can use in adjusting the text box inside the document area. We can even now move this type of text box anywhere inside the document area or anywhere you want to position this text box. Okay, another step for us to be able to insert a text box inside the document area is we're going to use a pre-made type of text box. Okay, how can we insert a pre-made type of text box inside the document area? I'm just going to lessen the size of the document area first, and proceed to the Insert tab. After proceeding to the Insert tab, you're going to use the text box command again. Then you're going to click the drop down arrow. After clicking the drop down arrow, a different list of we're just going to check it again. Okay, after clicking the drop down arrow, you can see here the different list of text box idea that you can insert inside the document area. For an example, you're going to use this type of text box, this banded slide bar. Okay, or the banded sidebar. Okay, after clicking the type of text box here inside the document area, you can see here that the type of text box is already applied inside the document area. We can change or we can format this type of document area. We can even change the height and the width of this text box. How? Okay, just make sure that you are selecting this text box for you to be able to format this text box. Okay, as you can see, we have here an insertion or formatting buttons that we can use in formatting or editing this text box inside the document area. You're just going to drag your text box on the left portion if you want to adjust the width of the text box. You can even adjust the top and the bottom portion of the selection area for you to adjust the height of the text box. You can even format or you can even change the shape of the text box using the Insert Shape group. Specifically, this type of command, this Edit Shape command, will apply a different type of shape inside the text box depends on your needs. For an example, we're going to use the edit shape command. Okay, after clicking this drop down arrow, you can see here an option for change picture. It will not change the picture inside the document area. Instead, it will change, or it will apply a picture, apply a shape for your text box. Okay, for an example, we're going to use this type of shape to be applied on the text box inside your document area. Okay, we're going to use this rectangle beveled basic shape. After selecting that, you can see now that the shape style is already applied on the document area inside your text box. Okay, these are the different steps in working with your text box inside your document area. Once again, this is teacher Charmaine Nazareda. Goodbye and God bless.